What to expect? CAD designers should also know their roles. They must remember that CAD designers are mainly office-based and can spend long hours at a computer or drawing desk requiring periods of concentration. Not all the work is individual, and they could be working with a team of other technicians or architects, contractors or design engineers. They will typically have to meet with clients and designers to understand their requirements for a design. They could also be providing technical advice to designers, manufacturers on shop floors and engineers on construction sites. Depending on the industry and the role, they may be required to visit building sites or manufacturing facilities. They can be posted in a construction site office for the duration of a project. Work is project-based and can involve working to tight deadlines and providing updates or changes to plans last minute. They may also be required to work on multiple projects at once.